Yeah, I'm recording. Alright, so I went out with lunch with my husband and I'm like, oh, I should vlog while I still look good before I need to put on my junky clothes to feed my cat, who decided while we were on vacation, decided to stop eating, which is really bad. So any of you with cats, if they stop eating, get them to the vet right away. Because they can develop fatty liver, lickety split, and then you need to force feed them for about 4 to 6 weeks until they start eating on their own, and the fat cells in their liver get replaced with protein, which the little carnivores need. So I've got a sick Jack. Came home from a vacation, and like when my family goes on vacation, it's not like relaxing. It's running around and seeing and doing everything. And my niece was also like Velcroed to me, so which was great. So it wasn't like, oh, get some time to relax and watch the waves roll in and stuff. It was like, watch the waves roll in and make sure your niece doesn't get swept out to the sea in the freezing cold Pacific Northwest. Obviously North Pacific Ocean. It was cold. It was like Lake Superior cold, which, no, I think Lake Superior is a bit colder. It's cold. So that's like, your feet are gonna go numb. Cold. And when you've been living in Houston and swimming in a pool that's like a freaking bathtub, which is not fun to swim in. It's really hard to actually swim in it. It's more like, let's just play around in the wawas. Yeah. It was like, oh, that's cold. So, but we still had a good time. Chris and I went up to Mount St. Helens. This was the first volcano. We were so excited. Yeah, we like geology like that. Got to see the Goonies rock from the Goonies. And Astoria, where the Goonies was filmed. And it's just a beautiful town with a bunch of Victorians. And I'm actually need to email that lady. I will be selling some yarn in consignment at a shop in Astoria, Oregon. That's exciting. So, just happened to get lucky. Let's see, and I need to email her about that. So yeah, past couple weeks have been, I got sick on vacation because after flying, my immune system's like, I'm going on vacation too. And I'm like, no, I need you now more than ever. And so I got sick with this cold that, like, when my husband got it, he got it at home and rested. I didn't rest because I was trying to push through and have fun on vacation. And it's hard to sleep when you're sick, to sleep in a bed that's not your own. So it took me like 2 weeks to get over this cold, and I still have got fluids. I forgot to turn off my email so it doesn't bing. Come on. There we go. And then all the change in elevation, because I'm used to living in a swamp. A flat swamp, and then all of a sudden there's mountains, and my ears are like, what's going on? So, and then come home to a sick kitty. Poor guy has to get force fed with a syringe. And he has to tell me all about it, how horrible it is. But he's still really good about it because he knows it'll make him feel better. Which I need to call a vet and give him an update. Oh, my poor Jack. So sweet. So anyways, back to business. So I need to, all my yarn, pretty much all my yarn is up on Etsy. There's some skeins that I forgot to photograph from last year that I need to get photographed and up, some bulky skeins. And then I'm working on getting up the bags slowly. Those of you who have joined the VIP club, because I need to think of a better name for it right now, I will be sending out a coupon soon. I'm trying to get, I want to get a website up, at least like a link to my shop and like an intro page kind of a thing, link to my shop and a sign up area. But school's starting in like 2 weeks and I need to move studios and I'm stressing out. Yeah. So, and then next month, exciting news, yay, positive news, on September 10th, I will be having a trunk show at Yarntopia in Katy. Yay! So, I'll have some Halloween kits, some Christmas kits, and some Halloween and Christmas bags, project bags, pins, and my brain stopped. It really stopped. Excuse me. I keep thinking I need to feed Jack. Every few hours, it's like, oh, it's time to feed the cat. And he's hiding. And I'm stressing him out. Anyway. So, where was I? Yeah, come by on the 10th. That's where I was. Come by on the 10th. Check out my yarns. Check out Yarntopia. It's a wonderful store. Really, it's a nice small store with some nice stuff. And really great owner. So, which I didn't look up her name again because I'm just like, I'm just gonna get online and do this right now because I don't look like shit. I'm not wearing clothes with cat food and puke on me. This is great. Yay. So, I'm trying to think what else. I'm trying to get some special orders filled up, done, and out in the mail. I need to dye up some yarns. I got my skein winder. It's so nice. I can just like I don't have to use my hand. My arm is so nice. It's like, oh, look at it go on its own. This is amazing. So, yeah. So I got a new skein winder, a new ball winder. So a ball winder that's not going to fall apart because it's made out of all plastic. I got a wooden one. It's still hand crank because the electric ones have mixed reviews where it's like, okay, here's a hand crank, it'll work no matter what. So that's what I got. And I think that's it. So yeah, I need to finish knitting that shawl too. And I need to weave. I need to work on art. Oh my god. Summer. You flew by too fast. I just worked on business stuff this summer. So behind. Anyway, I'm going to grab my cat because he's actually out of underneath the bed right now. And I'm going to pet him because I just want to see him like a sweet kitty he is. Oh, my sweet boy. Oh, you don't feel good. No, you don't feel good. Let me see your eyes. You need to get some food in you, mister. What's that in the window? What's that outside? Hmm? Anyway, Jack, do you want to look at the camera? No, Mom. I don't. Anyway, thanks for listening to me ramble. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Go say bye. No, Mom, I just want to sit here and purr.